I welcome everyone to question number 15, implementation of queue using the linked list. From the topic linked list of Geek for Geeks, most to coding interview question. Have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the approach soon. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubts, just comment down below. If you have any extra email IDs, please use those to subscribe our channel. So it will help our channel to grow. And now let's go to the question now. Let's understand the question here. After that, we will be discussing the coding approach. But understanding the question is necessary. If you go by the example that is in the give for gives, you may be confused what is happening in that example. So I have brought my own example so we can understand this as simple as possible. For that, we have to know first what is the queue. Okay, queue start from left to right. Okay, left to right, and the elements will be entered from left to right side. Okay, now this is a 1, 2, 3 example. These are the inputs that which I have already mentioned. So those value will be inputted from left to right side. Now you can see I have inputted one value and after two came, then after three came. Now I want to pop. Okay, if I want a pop operation, if I want to use a pop operation, what will happen is the first element should be removed here. So what is this first element according to the linked list? So this will be the address of head, which is the starting node. So now we have to remove this. What we can do is we can simply reiterate. We can simply reinitialize this head value to the next pointer. So in that way, if we point the head pointer to the next pointer, then this one value will be ignored. If the one value is been ignored, that then it means it is deleted automatically for us. So inside the pop operation, what we do is we just simply shift to the next value. We just say head will be equal to head dot next. Inside the pop operation, this is the only thing we do. And another condition we check is if the linked list is empty or not. Okay, this is the queue method. We always delete the starting node, whatever element we have inputted. So the first element, from the first element the input will be deleted. That is the queue operation. There is the stack operation. Inside the stack operation, the rightmost elements are deleted. The last element that we have inputted, that will be deleted in case of the stack. But in case of queue, whatever element we have inputted into the queue, that will be deleted first. So in this case, one will be deleted. So the newly formed linked list will be 2 and 3. So this will be our new linked list. After that, one has been deleted using the pop operation here. So this will be our new head. So this is in the case we have a linked list. Yeah. Now imagine you have popped this. Yeah, you used two times. Okay, you have used two times. Two has been removed. Three has been removed. Pop operation two times you have used. Two, three has been removed. Now we don't have any linked list. We just have a none address at the last. Okay, that means we don't have any linked list here. So if there is no value inside the linked list, okay, this is the second case. If there is no value, then we simply have to return -1. Okay, so we use the head equal to head dot next and we replaced the head position to 1. If you want this value, whatever the delete value you want, you can store it in some temporary variable. Okay, you can store this variable in temporary, call it t or any other variable that you like, and just store that address. Okay, in this question we need this address only, we need this t value. We will return this t, whatever we're deleting, we have to return the address of the deleted data. So we return this address. This will be the inside the pop operation. Okay, so this is the basic pop operation that we have to do. I hope you have understood the queue data structure from the explanation. You have understood the pop operation and push. This is the push operation. Okay, which I have pushed already. After 1, 2, 3, I have continuously pushed 3 times here. In the question, it may say enter 1 first. Okay, now we are entering 1. Now we enter 2 second time. So these are the two push operations because we entered continuously 2 times. But what if pop operation has to be done the next time? The pop operation has to be done. This one will be removed and we the two variable, the two value will only be remained inside the linked list. So these are the push and pop operations of the queue. This is to give a basic idea of push and pop operations of queue inside the linked list. So this is the basic knowledge you must have to attempt this question. Okay, if you have understood this part, then we are good to go to the coding part and understand this question more clearly. Now let's go get into the coding part and understand this question. Now we are inside the Geek for Geeks website. If there are any comments here, just remove those comments. We have to use the data here, and we also have to use this constructor. In that we have to use head and dot tail variables which are required, because initially we have to create a linked list. We haven't have a linked list from the start. We don't have a linked list from the start. We have to create the linked list by whatever elements the problem gives us. So this is an item. So this is the value that is being given by the question. Okay, by the compiler automatically in the background, some value will be assigned here. So now we have to create this value to a linked list. For that we're using node element here, node function or operator, anything. Inside that we're putting item. So what it does, it creates a random address for this value. Okay, this value we will be using. If there is no value at the start, we are going to assign that value here to the tail and head, because the initial stage there is no head and there is no tail. Both will be same in that case. So that's why we're initializing the item node same to the head and tail. Okay, in else case, if there is already an element present, that is an else case. After assigning one time, it is no longer none. Tail is also present, head is also present after initializing one element. Okay, in the second push, okay, in the second push it checks if the tail dot next this head is none or not. So this case will be false. Will come to the else case and will initialize tail dot next equal to item node. Remember, this item node in if case and else case are different. Okay, this is the first push item node, and this item node is the second push item node, or it may be third push item node. So this item node value will always change. Okay, whenever we're using this push function, the item value can be different. In the background, it can be any different value. So we are just assigning the tail dot next, which we have initialized tail. We have already initialized tail. Now we are initializing tail dot next. We are chaining together the elements. We're chaining the first value to the second value, and after that, similarly, if another element comes, we're chaining the third element also. Okay. In this way, the push operation has been working. Now let's go to the pop operation. The first case is the head is none. A head is none is if the linked list is present or not. If there are no elements inside the linked list, then it means it is empty. In that case, we return -1 to the interpreter here, and we are using the pop operation here. But we need the element address, whatever we are popping, the popped element address we need. Okay, this is the address that we have to return to the pop operation. Okay, we are storing that inside a item, and we are reinitializing self.head to self.head.name. What it does is it removes the starting element from the left side. That is a way of queue data structure. So whatever element you have inserted at the start, that have to be removed. So by pointing out towards the next address, we are leaving out the first address. So in that way, it can be assumed as we have deleted one element. Okay, so this is the pop operation and this is the push operation. I hope you have understood the question. If you haven't understood, just comment down below where you're facing the problem. I will be very quick to respond. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel with whatever email ads you have. If you have any extra email ads, please do subscribe with those. That will be very helpful for our channel to grow. And finally, for watching till the end, I thank you all, and let's meet in the next question.